Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a doll head at home with some very easy materials. And if you guys don't know, in my previous videos, I show you guys how you can make this normal Barbie doll body into a movable doll. So you can go and check that out as well. So over here, I've taken a thick foam sheet as you can see, and I'll just cut an oval shape and just take it out, then poke a hole and then stick it to the doll's body. Once that is done, over here as you can see, I'm making the talcum paste, which is only some talcum powder and glue. Now I'll just take a ice cream stick and I'll start just mixing it properly. Now a little bit of water. After mixing it well, as you can see, this is what my paste look right now. Now what I'll do is that I'll just put some glue over here onto the head and on the foam so that it just covers all the pores, and then I'll start applying my talcum paste or talcum clay, if you can say that. I'll just cover the head properly. So now once that is done, as you can see, this is what it looks right now. I'll just use some water and smoothen out the edges. Then I'll just make some ears as well over here with the same talcum clay. And a very tiny little nose. And all the face features will just be very plain and smooth. Now I'll take my tools and make the ears and highlight it very well. After I'm done doing that, after it gets dried too, as you can see, this is what my face looks right now. Now I'll take a sandpaper and scrub it off so that I get a nice smooth surface to work on. Once that is done, I'll paint it using my acrylic paints, and I'll just paint the skin color according to the body. And you can also use fabric paints instead. Then I'll also start painting the facial features as well as the eyes, nose and all that thing. I'll paint that as well. You can make any kind of face you want. So as you know, she's a mommy, so I'm painting it according to that. Then I'll paint the lips as well. Okay guys, so once I'm done doing that, I'll take this silver aluminium foil and I'll start covering the head because I have to make the wig cap, and then I'll just put this piece of fabric over here, fabric paper, and I'll just put that as well using some glue. Once it's nice and dry, I'll take this blue colored fabric cloth bag. It's very easily available in everybody's home. So now let's make the jeans out of it. And today's motto is just to show you guys how you can make beautiful doll clothes with only these kinds of waste materials too. So I'll just make the jeans over here. You can follow this tutorial and make it at your home too. So after sticking from the sides, as you can see, this is what kind of jeans I get. Now I'll stick this band over here as well. Now this is the fabric tape. I'll stick that to the back side of the jeans, cut out the axis and then stick the other part as well. So now my jeans is ready. Now what I'll do is that I'll just take aluminium foil again and wrap it around the leg just to make the shoes. So this will be the base. Now I'll just use some hot glue gun and I'll just make the shoes over here. Once the hot glue gun dries out, it will give me a really nice stencil. So I'll just cut this part out and the remaining part will be my shoes. So now I'll take out the foil and just throw it away. Now as you can see, this is what kind of shoes I get. Now what I'll do is that I'll just make some ruffles over here for the jeans over here basically. at the bottom. Now I'll just make her wear these jeans. So these are some very beautiful mom jeans over here. Now over here for the top, I'm taking the same white fabric cloth bag and I'll cut this shape for the top. So this will be basically a crop top, so that's why I'll just cut that shape. And then I'll just tie this over here for the neck. And so once that is done, I'll take my marker and I'll make this design over here. Of course, you can go for any kind of design you like for your doll dress. So this is what I liked and I thought that I'll make this on the top. So I'll just take my paints, fabric paints basically, and just paint this beautiful design. Once it's nice and dry, I'll just take the corners. And now the fabric tape. Tada, this is the top I get. I'll just make her wear this and stick it from the back. So guys, as you can see, this dress is really easy with some cloth fabric bags which are easily available these days if you go for shopping and all. So this is a pink colored cloth fabric bag now, and I'll make a long coat over here, trench coat kind of thing, and I'll cut this part here. Once I get these two shapes, as you can see, I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it from the half. Now placing all the parts this way, I'll also make the sleeves. And I'll stick it. So once that is done, I'll just take this white colored cloth fabric bag again and I'll stick it over here. Then after sticking the background and these axis corners, once that is done, I'll put these lines over here as well and I'll cut it out. Then of course for the neck too, and then I'll make her wear this. So as you can see, this is a very stylish mommy, so I'm going for that kind of look. You can also use any kind of imagination and draw and create your own different kind of style of dresses. After coloring the wig cap black, over here I'm taking this wool and I'll just wrap it around a cardboard piece. After cutting it out, I'll take this part and then what I'll do is that I'll cut from the middle. So this is what I get right now. Now I'll take a comb and I'll start brushing it out and then stick a piece of wool over here in the middle just to give a parting. After cutting the axis, this is what I get right now. Now I'll place it onto the head and make the side parting hairstyle over here. And I'll stick it properly on the wig cap. After brushing it out, and I'll just give her a nice haircut. This way over here, I'll take the same blue colored fabric bag and I'll stick this too. So I'll make a beanie for her head and over here I'll just tie it around. So as you can see, this is how the mommy looks. Now what I'll do is that I'll take this part and start painting the shoes which we made with hot glue gun. I'll start painting it white. Once it's getting dried, I'll make the baby too. So this is a very tiny doll I got from the market and I'll just put some hairs onto her and then make a baby kind of dress for her as well. just take some fabric paint and just dab the brush around here and give it a floral kind of look. Once that is done, I'll make her wear the tiny shoes and the tiny beanie as well, just to match with her mommy, and then I'll just wrap it around using a very beautiful pink colored fabric, and I'll tie this. So this will be a very cute little baby. Once that is done, over here I'll just make her wear these socks, which are made just cutting those cutouts out of white fabric cloth, and then over here I'll make her wear the shoes, and the doll and the baby, like basically mom and the baby, are now finally ready, guys. So guys, this is it. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Take you home with me. Whoa, whoa, oh, I don't wanna take you home with me. I don't get what you're saying, all of these games you're playing. Can't bother reading your message, no I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting